put your code in a repository. So that's why we're gonna go into GitHub and we're just gonna create a new repository, and then we're just gonna call it test Laravel public. Yes, that's fine. And create the repo. So the next steps that we have to do is that we have to add our public key into the repository, and the way to do that is that we go into the settings, deploy keys, and here we are going to deploy a key. We're gonna just put live server test, and then we need to put in the key. Now we're going to execute this command, keygen-t rsa, and here we're just gonna press enter for everything. Once that happens, we're going to go into the home directory and we are going to get our public key from here. We're just gonna copy and paste it, put it here. We're gonna allow the write access, that's fine. Set up on your local machine for Git to work, but if you need help with that, let me know. And it's quite easy. You just gotta set up, I'm gonna use SSH to download. So here are the commands that you need to execute to get your Git repos. I'm just gonna put it side by side and start executing these commands. Then git init. Yes, that's fine. Here we're gonna git add. We're just gonna commit the readme file to test. And then here you have to put, sorry, I forgot this step. Create the main branch. And then you need to push it into your repo. Now if we refresh, we can see that we just pushed the readme file of the Laravel. So now we are going to push all the code. That means everything that we have in here, we're just gonna push it over. So we're gonna do a git add dot. Now we're gonna see everything that was added. It's fine. Now we're gonna do a git commit, pushing Laravel code. We're gonna git push origin main, and now we should refresh and we get everything that we pushed.